This piece is called Fighting Form by Franz Marc. Marc is known for his use of bright colors. What makes this painting stand out is different from most of his other works of art, is that it is completely abstract. Like Wassily Kandinsky, Marc attributed colors to emotional meanings. To him, blue is the male, stern, and spiritual. Yellow, the female principle, gentle, cheerful, and sensual. Red is matter, brutal and heavy, and always the color which must be fought by the other two. This piece was painted at the start of World War I, and is a reflection of the climate of the times and the propaganda mentality of good versus evil, or right versus wrong. It is like the swirling form of the red fighting the swirling form of the black. The red form is more chaotic and has reaching swirls across the black and down into the bottom. The red, to Marc, was brutal and heavy and a force to be reckoned with. I think the black in this represents the destruction that war brings. It is a painting that depicts the struggle that comes with war. Two enemies battling to win a battle. This work is symmetrically balanced on a diagonal line. The colors are vibrant and bright on the red side of the painting, while the colors on the black side of the painting are darker in the color scale of the dark blues and purples. It has movement with all the swirls and lines, but it's chaotic feeling. My eyes don't know where to rest, and they don't just hang out in one spot. I keep wanting to see pictures of something in there. Like, to me, it looks like there might be a bird or a mouse or some kind of animal in the left side of the red. Clearly, this painting showed that Marc had some reservations about the war and what was going on, but that did not stop him from signing up to fight in the war. And unfortunately, he was killed in 1916, so this was his last painting that he ever did.